every night like this. Please turn to your side. I can't sleep because of your snoring.
What is it again?
I can't sleep because of your snoring. You don't understand. I have not slept for days.
So you are beating me because I am sleeping?
You don't get it!
I will sleep! If you won't let me sleep here because of ordinary snoring, I'm going to the living room.
Michael.
Sometimes small problems become big conflicts when patience disappears.
Did you see this?
I'm reading. Can't it wait?
Fine. Let us go and see the pastor. This is becoming too much. Sir, there is a problem in my home. What happened, Brother Michael? My wife hit me because I was snoring. Pastor, does the Bible support that? Marriage is not a battlefield. First, snoring is not a deliberate sin. It may be a health issue. No matter the frustration, hitting a spouse is wrong. Small violence can grow into serious abuse. Snoring is usually medical. It can be related to tiredness, weight, blocked nose, sleep apnea. The husband should see a doctor. Use practical solutions. You can try sleeping sideways, using anti-snoring pillow, nasal strips, reducing late heavy meals. Practice patience. Marriage requires tolerance and understanding. The Bible encourages peace in marriage. You can reflect on Ephesians 4:2, which encourages patience and bearing with one another in love. Protect the children's environment. When couples fight constantly, children develop fear and emotional stress. Peace at home is very important. Now apologize to each other. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry too.
Understanding is the medicine for many family problems.